Good morning. We are off to Syracuse to soft play for a little bit and drop some charity bags. And we're gonna go to Tesco too. So we have a busy morning ahead. And a little update from yesterday. I managed to build the chair, and this morning, no, after this morning, maybe if we come back, Finley's sleeping, I'm gonna try to build the desk, and I'll show you how we do it. And not much else. Finley's in the back enjoying his few crisps that he asked me for the trip, and that's it basically. So let's go. We finished up soft play and now we came to Burger King, and Finley's having some chicken nuggets with chips as lunch, as a special day anyway. And yeah, he's playing around here, and now we're gonna go to Tesco, I think, to get some shopping done.
Oh,
And with a bad mood.
come in my bed. Come in Nan's bed.
Good morning. It's another day in the car. Today we're going to Southside Shopping Center. Just gonna have a walk around in the morning and see if there's still any things on sale, and maybe hot ticket max, because I have my new desk and I want some decoration or something to put on the wall, because it's kind of just a plain wall, and I want some pictures or something to hang on the wall. And yeah, Finley's with me again. Hello, Enyulan. Say hello.
No.
No, okay, no. So I try to vlog when we are there and show you some bits and bobs. If it's no, I show you when we get home. Bye.
Daddy. Daddy.
Say,
Get Daddy, go in the Daddy.
Daddy Poopa.
Daddy Poopa.
That's important.
Hello, so we are back from Southside, and I never vlog anything there because I was by myself with Finley, and Finley wanted to walk and I can't take the camera and mind Finley, so we just did a bit of shopping. We went to Primark, Tiger and Palm Shop as well to get some drinks and stuff like that, and then we have lunch and then we come back really. So in Primark I got this, I don't know the name of this, but it's like a frame where you can put pictures or even leave the ones they are here. So they'll go somewhere on this wall like that. I'm not sure exactly how, but yeah, I'm gonna put it over there, and it was £6 that one. And then I got a diffuser, vintage blossom, and I hope it smells well because I couldn't try it nowhere. So I had one before, another scent, lavender one, and it's quite nice. So I'll see how is this one. I'll probably put it somewhere here too. Now everything is for the desk. And then I got toothbrush for Finley, and some cotton wool for makeup to remove my makeup. And then I got a pineapple candle, and it's amber noir, and it burns up to 18 hours. I just like the look of it. I don't know how it will smell, but yeah, it looks lovely too, and it will go somewhere here too. I don't know, I have to organize the table how it's gonna look. And then I got a bed, I don't know, it's like for makeup brushes or for your, I don't know, maybe pens and pencils and things like that. And I bought it in Tiger, or I don't know how to say, and it's this one. And I thought it would look very nice. I'm not sure I'm gonna put it on this table or I'm gonna put it where my makeup is, but I thought it was £2 or £3, not very expensive. And that's it really. And then I went to H&M to have a browse, and I got me a jumper. I got this jumper, grey jumper with this embroidered, or no, not embroidered, it's just like a stone. So yeah, I thought it would look nice, like quite simple, but it was £17. And yeah, and I got another one for Nathan. It's like Japanese or Chinese style kind of thing, and it was almost £18 as well. And it's this one for Nathan. Yeah, medium, $17.99. This one. And now I'm gonna show you what I bought in Primark last time, because I recorded a video and I did it in Finley's room, and it was so dark that I don't like it. So I'm just gonna show you all casual now. So if you want to go to Primark, so you can see where I go, and maybe you like something and you can pop in and get it yourself. And yes, I'm gonna do it now. Okay, so the first thing is this top with this detail. It's a bit cropped, but it's fine, and it was only £6. It's quite baggy, so it's nice. This one is a vest. Let me take that away. Look, it's a vest, quite baggy, very soft material, and it was reduced from £4 to £2 only. But I thought it looked good. I have some pink trousers, so it would look good with that. Then my mom got me this dress, like a jumper, but I like this kind of style dresses. And that's the front, and in the back there's this detail, so it's a little bit different, and it was reduced from 10 to 5 as well. Then my auntie bought me this lovely jacket. It's like suede well, copy of suede material, and it's this yellow that is on fashion now, and it's super soft and super light. I like it a lot for when it starts getting a bit colder. And the last thing are these jeans. They are super nice with them birds. And then is this dress here, but they look very nice on. Yeah, and the details are lovely. And these ones were £19, a bit more expensive. The jacket was 20, and I said how much was the dress. And then I bought this I don't know, makeup bag as well, and it was £4, but I thought it was so cute to leave it in the shop. So yeah, that's it really. I bought this rack as well in Tiger that I forgot to mention. It's double of the length, but I put it in double so it's just under my desk for the chair, so it doesn't do any marks on the floor. So now I have to organize all this mess and see how my table, my desk look like with all the stuff I bought. And yeah, I'm gonna leave here the vlog, and maybe I'll do it another one during the week, or maybe during the weekend, depends if we do something special or not, or just me talking and going somewhere with Finley, we'll see. So I hope you like it. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, bye.